Okay, let's start with our questions. Okay, anyways, these are the things that we need to do today: visual text, grammar close, and editing. Okay, firstly was visual text, the ones that I showed you earlier. After that, grammar close and editing. Okay, so let's start with visual text. Now, visual text are questions that ask for reasons that test your ability to comprehend why something happens. So it's just like reading comprehension, but it's in a visual method. Okay, so what you have to do is to, of course, read the question to find out the situation, read the options, and find the correct reasons based on the visual text. Okay, let's look at the first one. Okay, you guys look at this one, and can you just read first the question and the text here? Mm-hmm. Thank you, Victoria. Okay, she already answered. Okay, so basically here, they're asking you, who is this angel? Where is the angel? Okay, this part here. Wait. Okay, so this angel is referring to the foreign worker. So the answer is 4. Yep. Okay. It's actually true. There was one news about this foreign worker who's helping the people go to work, go to school. When it was raining, he held onto an umbrella. So of course, it looks like an angel that to help people not get wet. Okay, so this is question 1. Next question. Why did the angel hold up an umbrella for the commuters? Can you guys type your answers in the chat? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Number 3, help people with no umbrellas. Yes, you're right, Gerald. Okay, the rest of you can type in your answers also. So this one is number 3. Yep. Okay, because so when they don't have the umbrella, so that they don't get wet, so that they are not wet. Okay, nice. Okay, next question. Yes, number 3, Emma, good. Okay, next question. Sorry, my computer today is like all very tired already. Okay, this one is done. This one is done. Next question. Look at this. Hardworking foreign workers work overtime to complete underground tunnel project. Now, commuters felt immense relief at the availability of transportation during the COVID-19 times when foreign workers work overtime to ensure that the MRT station located near their homes opened on time, even during COVID. Okay, so basically they work overtime to complete their work. Okay, it was quite difficult, that COVID-19 time. Okay, let's look at the question. According to the article, the commuters felt relief because what happened? Why were they relieved? Put your answer in the chat. Very quick, Emma. Your answer is correct. Okay, the MRT stations near their home were open because they were scared. Oh no, COVID. So people cannot work. Will the MRT station be ready or not? But thanks to these people, they worked overtime. So the stations were able to be open. What? Okay, hang on. Sorry, I tell you my laptop today is acting strange. Now, okay, correct. This is number 4. Okay, it's actually 4 because the ones near their home were able to be open, so they were like relieved. Next question. So, to thank them, some students at nearby schools gave out balloons and packed lunches to these foreign workers at the MRT construction site near their school. The workers were pleasantly surprised and cheered by the students' kind gestures. It was such a touching scene of give and take. So even the students were so touched that they actually worked overtime to help to open the MRT station. Okay, so why were the workers pleasantly surprised? Can type in your answers in the chat first, guys. Yeah, because what would it touch? What was the action? What was the gestures? What was this kind gestures? So the kind gestures was actually for them to give out balloons and pack lunches to thank them. So the answer is 4. Okay. Okay, hang on. What happened here? Just a second. Wait, what happened? Hang on, yeah. Wait, what happened to my video? Hang on. Is the video on? Okay, great. Let's look at the next question. Okay, then we will look at another visual text now. Okay, so there's 8 questions. Okay, but before we do the 8 questions, right, you need to look at this visual text first. Can I take about a minute to glance through this visual text? Once we finish these 8 questions, we take a break. Then I think it should be by break time. So we'll finish these 8 questions by break time. Can you guys look at this visual text first? 4. Hang on, yeah, we look at the questions together. Just another 30 seconds to read this visual text. Okay, based on this, the first question, what is the main purpose of the poster? Wait, what happened? A, B, C, or D? This one main purpose is basically more on telling them about the activities and all, right? Yes, so it's actually C. Correct, Victoria. You're right there. Okay, yes, it's C. Okay, encourage people to sign up for the activities to explore Singapore. Okay, next. This one. This is the question. Why is an exclamation mark used in the heading? Explore Singapore with this outstanding offers. What are they trying to do with the exclamation mark? Why is there an exclamation mark? A, B, C, or D? If you were to say it's to shock the readers, it's not a scary advertisement, so it's out. Okay. It's not to emphasize that the fair is online, nothing to do with that. Show that the deals are unexpected, maybe, but whenever they're telling you there's a positive word here. So it's actually to convey excitement. The answer is actually D. Okay, it's D. Yay, let's come and explore Singapore with this. So it's something exciting. Okay, next question based on this also. Number 3, can you read and tell me which one is true?